everyone. Welcome back to Talk With Me, your favorite place to master the English language. I'm so happy you're here with me today. How are you all today? Some of you looked like you were sleeping. Were sleeping. See? Past continuous already. In our previous lessons, we looked at things that happened in the past. But what if you want to describe an action that was in progress at a specific moment? For that, we need the past continuous tense. Today, I'm going to make this tense incredibly simple for you, so you can start using it in your daily conversations right away. Before we jump into the rules, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these lessons for you. Ready? Let's get started.
Students, what is the past continuous tense? The past continuous tense is used to talk about an action that was happening at a certain time in the past. Not now, not the future, but in the past. And the action was ongoing. Got it? Okay, good. Look at these examples. I was studying. She was cooking. They were playing. Yes, I know. You were thinking about food again. Haha. Okay. Students, remember this. Past continuous equals was or were plus verb add ing. Action was happening, but in the past. Let's repeat. Happening in the past. Happening in the past. Does it make sense? Okay, good.
Let's see. How do we form the past continuous? In order for that, we use the simple formula. Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Repeat after me. Was or were plus verb plus ing. Again, was or were plus verb plus ing. Look at these examples. I was reading. He was writing. We were dancing. They were studying. Who was dancing yesterday? Anyone? No? Only me?
Okay, now let's see. When do we use the past continuous tense? There are a few main uses. Let's learn them one by one. Okay, good. The first one is for actions happening at a specific time in the past. Remember, at a specific time in the past. Examples: I was eating dinner at 8 p.m. yesterday. They were sleeping at midnight. She was running this morning. Did you understand it, my students? Good. There you go.
The second one is for two actions happening at the same time in the past. Again, for two actions happening at the same time in the past. Examples: I was studying while my brother was playing. They were cooking while we were watching TV. Yes, one person studies, the other plays. What were you doing while your sibling was eating?
Third one is for a longer past action interrupted by a shorter action. Students, this is very important and easy. Try to catch this one. Longer past action interrupted by a shorter action. Okay? Look at this structure. Long action is explained in past continuous, plus short action is explained in past simple. Got it? Okay, look at these examples. I was walking when it started to rain. She was sleeping when the phone rang. We were eating dinner when the lights went off. Repeat this idea. Long action interrupted by short action.
All right, so you've already learned that the past continuous tense uses the ing form of the verb, like reading or laughing. But the key to making the sentence correct is choosing the right helper verb, was or were. It's actually very straightforward. Think of was as the helper for a single person or thing. It's the singular verb. So if the person doing the action is just I, he, she, or it, you always use was. For example, I was reading, or she was studying. Then we have were, which is the helper for multiple people or things, the plural verb. If your subjects are we, which means more than one person, including yourself, or they, a group of other people, you use were, like they were laughing. The only slightly tricky one is you. But remember this, whether you are talking to one person or a group, you always takes were. So you were working is correct. Just remember that small group uses was and the big group uses were, and you'll always get it right.
Students, let's see some of the examples that are used daily. I was watching TV last night. You were talking during the lesson. He was eating breakfast at 7 a.m. We were studying English yesterday. They were singing loudly. Students, what were you doing last night? Write the answer in the comment box.
Okay, now let's see the usage of negative form in past continuous tense. To say no, we use was not, were not, plus verb plus ing. Or wasn't or weren't plus verb plus ing. Examples. I was not sleeping. She wasn't cooking. They weren't playing. Were you sleeping in class yesterday? I'm not so sure.
Okay, let's see how we form questions in the past continuous tense. All right, to ask a question, we have to bring was or were to the front of the sentence. It's easy, right? Look at the sentence structure. Was, were, plus subject, plus verb plus ing. Examples. Were you listening? Was she crying? Were they working? Was I talking too much yesterday? Got it? Okay, good.
Students, we're almost finished for today. Before we wrap up the class, I'd like you to do this exercise on your own. Please write your answers in the comment box, okay? 1. I blank sleep at 10 p.m. 2. They blank not study. 3. Blank she blank cook last night. 4. We blank watch a movie when the power went off. Perfect. I think now you know how to use the past continuous tense. All right, everyone, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning the past continuous tense with me. I know some of you are thinking this lesson was too easy, and some of you are thinking it was too long. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you become. So please keep repeating the sentences, keep listening, and keep learning English every day. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And yes, hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Ding ding! See you, bye-bye!